the match in 3, 2, 1. Purple platypus vending machine, grabbing the green cube, getting it off the back goal. Mustang 1, pushing those red cubes off of their posts. We have purple platypus vending machine grabbing more green cubes and scoring them in that goal to get the extra bonus. Alright, purple platypus vending machine goes for another goal. They get one green cube off of there. So you have 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Purple platypus vending machine trying to get that uniform goal, and they get it. Let's take one, pushing some more green cubes. We have purple platypus vending machine. Grabbing a ton of greens. They lift up. And they get 1, 2 in there. We have Mustang 1 crossing the plane. As time runs out.
Sorry.
All right, Q19, you're up.